Sorry. I have a little cutie visitor. Hi. She's running all over my desk, so I'm just gonna let her do that. Go on, baby. Go on, hang out. Just don't knock anything over. I've been doing home improvement projects and stuff like that, and somehow my jelly tips have managed on this hand to last 2.5 weeks, and I decided it's time to remove them. So, because they're looking kind of grown out, there's like a little bit of lifting, so I was like, I did a bad thing and I removed this one the wrong way, the naughty way. So I decided I'm gonna remove the rest the correct way. So I'm going to use this bottle of gel remover. It is from a brand on Amazon called Aliver, A-L-I-V-E-R, so like Oliver, but Aliver. So yeah, it's from Amazon. That's where I got it from. So this came in a pack of 3 for like 16 or 18 bucks, something like that. It was super cheap. It's 0.5 fluid ounces, so 15 mLs. So I wanted to test this out. This is gonna be my first time testing it out. If you hear any noises in the background, it's because Mama Talia and baby kittens are hanging about and living their life. That's my life. That's why my Instagram's called Toby Nails. I literally have cats everywhere in my life. I'm like a cat lady. Yeah, okay, keep on watching. So the first thing I like to do is trim down the extension. So since these are not my natural nails, I don't feel like using the gel remover on stuff that I don't have to. So I trim it down any extra length that is not my natural nail, and then I file off the shine so that the gel remover can penetrate through the gel product a lot easier. By the way, this can be used on dip powder as well. So now I'm going to take the gel remover, which is the bottle I showed you in my intro. It looks like this, and I'm going to apply a generous coat to the nails that I'm trying to remove. I'm not doing my pointer finger because I actually redid that nail a couple days ago, so there was no point to redo something I just did. So I really like the brush on this bottle. The brush is definitely different from other brands that I've tried. I feel like it helps me get in more precise into the cuticle areas, like really nice and close where I need to, so I really like that. And I'll compare it to another bottle in a second, but I'm going to set a timer for 3 minutes, and that is how long I'm going to let it sit on my nails, and then I will be back to scrape it off in a bit, but I'm going to show you the bottle comparison first. Okay, so there's like 47 seconds, 46 seconds left. So I figured it was a good time to show you like the size differences. It's literally the same size in ounces and almost the same size in height, as you can tell, but like the width is different, so that's really just like the difference per se. This one's wider, this one's more round. So these are both gel removers from brands that I use. I bought this one off of Buy Sell Trade Page because someone was selling it in like a bundle for super cheap, and I was like, yes. But when I found this one, actually I didn't find it. Miranda's Nail Creation, she posted about it. She bought a 3-pack of them for super cheap. I was like, okay, I need to see if this works, which is why we're here doing this video with 3, 2, 1, timer off. It's like 3 minutes. So I'm gonna test it at 3 minutes. Okay, this is literally acting just like all the other brands I have. Not bad, and I'm just using this tool, this scraper tool, to scrape off the gel. Since my natural nail is pretty far down in this tip, as you can see, I'm not at risk of scraping my natural nails yet. When I get closer to that, that's when I like decide to leave a small amount on my natural nails or soak off in acetone to get it all off. This is why I love wearing gloves. Like literally you can just clean stuff off and not worry about anything getting on your other hand. It's so awesome. Okay, so that actually did a pretty good job on the first layer. I could probably scrape a little bit more if I wanted to. Yeah, it did a very good job on the first layer. So I'm gonna apply a second layer, and this time I think I'll leave it on for 5 minutes just to see if that makes any difference. So I'm going to let that sit for 5 minutes this time, and I will be back to chat in 5 minutes about that. And another thing I have to do is, So the Painted Desert was, oh my god, that's a glittery cactus base. What? Sorry, I'm like so excited about this. Oh, what is that? The Painted Desert sent me a whole bunch of her cactus color base. So it's cactus jelly, kind of. So cactus jelly. So you know the cactus jelly from the Painted Desert? If you know, you know. I guess this is a colored version of it. Oh, that is so pretty. Sorry, my nail looks so ugly right now because it's so dry and flaky and stuff. Oh my god, that is so pretty. And there's cars outside and you guys can hear it. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Okay, so I was considering doing clear nails with like cactus jelly the way I've always been doing it, but the Painted Desert so kindly sent me all of these like gorgeous base colors, but they're cactus jelly base colors to my understanding, and they can be used to adhere your jelly tips. So actually, let me go to the Painted Desert website. Gel products, rubber base coats. Which one is the glittery one? 110. I should just type it into this. 110. Color base 110. Okay. So this photo says it's a sheer coverage shown with multiple coats for full coverage. In this swatch photo makes sense. HPMA and EHEMA free. This is an LED UV gel attachment gel that requires a nail lamp. So it's a nail attachment gel. So it's a jelly tip attachment gel. That's to my understanding. So I can use those to attach my jelly tips. How much time do I have left? 29 seconds left. Oh, 5 minutes have passed. Let's see if more, ooh, even more comes off. Wow. Okay, 5 minutes might be the magic number for me. Hell yeah. There goes, is it Miss Raven this one? Yep. Still playing with that toy. Nice and gummy, so it files off a lot faster too. These are my jelly tips, so I've probably already penetrated through a layer of the jelly tip, and then probably what's under here is the attachment gels that I use, which I've been like rotating through a variety actually. So before the Painted Desert came out with these attachment gels, I've been trying colored ones, the colored builder gels. This is a luminary color called Drive. I actually really like it. It's very pretty pink. It doesn't look this pink when you attach it on. This is just really condensed. And they have another color. Let me actually apply another layer of this before I keep chatting. I'm like talking so much. There we go. Apply it right here to the free edge because there's gel right there. Apparently this removes dip powder too. I mean, it's labeled as gel, but to be honest, I think it removes anything that is considered plastic. So I don't know if you guys know, but acrylic is plastic, gel is plastic, dip powder is plastic. It's all plastic. At the end of the day, we're just putting a bunch of plastic. It's just like literally plastic. So it's dissolving plastic. Did I just show you guys Drive? Yeah, I did. So this one is called Peace. This one is the one I had put on this nail. So you can't see it that well because it's only at the base. And it's not as clear, but it's a really pretty color. It is super pretty. So like if I applied like thicker layers, it would look different, but I just put like a small pea-sized amount and then attach it on. It's so nice. I know that Apres has colored gels as well, attachment gels that they have. This is their clear extend gel, but they have other attachment gels. I tried one of them. It was very dark, but it was very gorgeous. I just didn't want my tips to be that dark. I wanted them more on the sheer side. So I ended up like taking that off and not using that. Hopefully this is the last time I have to do the scraping. Wow. I forgot to set a timer this time, so I'm like, I don't know how much time has passed. Nope, I might have to do another round. But it's getting pretty close to complete removal. It's so awesome. Okay, so let me clean off all my nails real quick so you guys can get a better look at them. So yeah, all the product is gone. Good job, gel remover. I like you. And for 16 bucks for a 3-pack, that's gonna last me like 6 months right there, if not longer, depending on how frequently I remove my gel manis. Yep, this is nice. I like this. This is a good product. Yay, Miranda. Thank you for recommending this. And hey, shout out to all the cats for the background noise, all right? All right, I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.